Blanky.
Okay, we're good to go. We're 1 second out of sync. I'll have to fix that in editing. Right.
It's all good.
Road to Platinum. James, Chris, ready?
Let's do this!
Let's go.
Why am I the fat guy?
You know, gotta portray yourself.
First question, where am I the thicker? Why am I the -1?
Gotta portray yourself. I mean, me personally, you know, like, I'm Ratchet, the main hero of the story, you know.
Yeah, the pussy.
Fuck you. I'll have you know, I saved the galaxy about 8 times by now.
Doesn't change the fact that you're still a pussy.
Why you gotta say that?
You got a suit. Are you a businessman or something?
Nah, James is actually the president of the galaxy.
And you say we betrayed each other, eh?
You're also the laughing stock of every Ratchet Clank game, so...
Doesn't matter, I'm still the president.
A Clank is awesome, right?
Yeah, Clank's awesome. Clank can stop time.
Yeah. At least I have a title name on my character.
So is he like the boss throughout the whole game?
Mm-mm. Are you on about, like, this giant creature here?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
It's a different boss for each level. And if you've not played All for One before, but you've played the other games, then no, Nefarious is not the villain for this game. You know, just a friend out there.
Never played Ratchet and Clank.
Chris, played it?
Nope.
Oh
Guess
my
I have.
days!
Yeah.
Got ray gun.
To be fair though, it's like Ratchet & Clank's one of the biggest series on the Sony consoles. Can't believe neither of us have played any of them.
It's not my kind of game. It's never appealed to me.
So I mean, other than like the first one or the first two, then they aren't really kiddie anymore.
You would say that just because you play them.
Yeah. Hey man,
Like I'm watching Cartoon Network.
Still,
hey, Cartoon
still
Network
great
is shit now. Cartoon
I
Network
wouldn't know, I
used to
don't
be
watch it
awesome.
anymore.
Neither do I,
I'm
but
grown up now.
hey, I don't watch it anymore either. I just have 4 sisters.
Yeah. Blame your sister. Okay, so I'm guessing we're gonna follow
Trophy
this guy.
connected.
Yeah, that's for playing online.
No shit.
Awesome. So I was playing offline.
There is a trophy for that as well. Did you get it, James, the 2-player offline, or didn't you do it?
No, I didn't do it.
Ooh.
Oh, we can move.
Yep. I'll let you guys kill everything, because like, I've already got everything.
Oh, James, run ahead. Hang on.
Must
Yes,
kill
sprint.
everything.
You do have your guns as well, by the way. Hang on, guys, this way, this way, this way.
Yeah, I knew that.
Okay.
Huh?
There was an enemy.
Yeah, thanks for wasting our time.
There was an enemy!
Wait for me, bastards.
How'd
We
you
all
like...
share the bolts.
Whoa, you get what you earn. How'd you like this,
Well.
boys? How'd you like this? Yeah, yeah. Come on, what you gonna do? This is the Rhino, by the way.
I'm a small robot compared to that one.
I'm basically a walking tank right now. Although, the Rhino only has 12 shots because it's so fucking powerful. Let's see.
How do you think your thing?
Boxes. Right. Right. Okay, we're gonna have to work on you guys doing that swingy bit.
I just kept holding triangle. It worked.
But yeah,
James was holding me down.
yeah, when the bottom person lets go of triangle, the second person has to press triangle, and then the third. By the way, there's more bolts over here.
Yeah, I'm karate chopping everything.
Yay!
But yeah, have you seen like the difference in bolts compared to playing solo now?
Yeah, there's a lot of difference. Screw the enemies, man. Boxes.
You'd still get a lot by killing the enemies. I mean, it's like I just killed that one and got almost 200.
Yeah, but there's more in the boxes.
Well, break these boxes, you'll get a ton.
Did I just fall off?
I
I think, yeah, you did. You died.
Oh no. I'm back.
Oh shit.
No, James fell off.
They do it themselves.
No, you just fail.
Oh fuck. Oh god damn it.
Yeah, that was Chris who hurt you. By the way, if it looks like you're not going to make a jump or anything like that, or you fall off a ledge, then you can press triangle, like I just did there. And yes, I fell off as demonstrative purposes only.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Truth, man, truth.
Eat the light bulb. Humanoid.
Don't worry, I know cry.
I don't get why you guys aren't actually shooting.
Shoot, it's the noobs.
They're much quicker.
How do I equip it again?
You use the right analog stick and press up.
No, you just press L1. R1.
Yeah, that's if you've already got it equipped. If you have two weapons, then
Oh, what? They take way too many bullets, man. Easier just punch them.
they take one shot.
No.
Well, they do for me, because I've got a fully upgraded weapon.
I don't.
Me.
You guys gonna break them?
Did.
I don't know why you don't just throw your wrench at them.
Oh, it was Chris that got him.
I'll get everything. Me.
Don't worry, you guys can upgrade your weapons soon. Boxes, guys, boxes.
Yeah. Ice breaking.
You want to get a lot of bolts. I mean, the best way to like get the 1 million bolt trophy is to simply don't upgrade your weapons. But I'm gonna say upgrade your weapons whenever you can.
Nah, I've got you for that.
No, because even with me and the Rhino, like there's still gonna be enemies where you guys are gonna need strong weapons as well.
Health, I need it. Yeah, I know what it is.
1 bar.
Do you like it, James? Why are you only 1 bar, eh?
I don't have
Yeah.
net. Whoa! Stop blowing me up!
Yeah, that was Chris.
No.
Get the bolts first. Balls. Unlucky, James.
What?
Okay, Chris, you've got to... Yeah.
I did it, okay?
Right, both of you have got the trophy for the taxi, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Just gonna sit here. Yeah, I ain't letting you turn. What? No, stay left.
No.
I'm the big guy here. I rule.
I'm so tiny. I can't even see myself.
Yeah, you should be on my back, bitch.
Yeah, you're gonna die. No!
It's
Come on, man, I'm a
2v1,
bigger
but
guy.
it's 2v1, but no! Yeah.
I weigh more than both of you combined.
Cry.
Doesn't make any sense.
Well, if that's the case, get on a diet, bitch.
Can I shoot them?
No.
Oh,
You almost had it, James. You almost had it.
Wrong way. Go left. Right.
No, yeah.
Yes.
No,
yes.
no, no. Yeah.
Whoa.
Motherfuckers. Oh, I'll let you guys fight this guy on your own then.
Easy. Got my boomerang.
Keep dreaming. You was fucked.
That was me.
Right. Let's see if anyone gets hit on this.
Of course we will.
You know, I was just about to say, like, I imagine both of you losing at least 1 bar health on this.
Ow.
Oh, there's Chris.
Sucker. Boxes.
By the way, press circle. I want to see if you've got the vacuum.
Back.
Okay, yeah, you've got it. Hold circle to break the boxes, it'll go quicker. There's some boxes over here, James.
I want these ones.
I'm here.
And I'm there.
Okay.
Oh, wrong one.
Yay!
Can I vacuum them to death?
No.
Can I vacuum them?